Understanding Pass in a Flash, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, pass in a flash. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations and can be a bit puzzling for learners. Stay tuned as we break down its meaning and usage, helping you master this expression with ease. Pass in a flash is an idiomatic expression in English. It means that something happens very quickly or in a very short time. The word pass refers to the passing of time, and flash suggests a very brief, quick moment, like the flash of a camera. This phrase is often used to describe events or experiences that seem to finish almost as soon as they start. Let's look at some examples to understand how pass in a flash is used in everyday language. 1. The vacation was so enjoyable that it just passed in a flash. 2. I was so engrossed in the book that the hours passed in a flash. These examples show that the phrase is often used to express surprise or a bit of regret that something enjoyable or engaging has ended quickly. It's important to know when to use this phrase appropriately. Pass in a flash is mostly used in informal contexts and can be replaced with phrases like fly by or go quickly. However, it's not typically used for sad or serious events. Also, avoid using it in very formal or academic writing. To help you master this phrase, try creating your own sentences or share stories from your life where you felt time passed in a flash. Practicing in real-life scenarios will make you more comfortable with its usage. We hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase, pass in a flash. Remember, language learning is all about practice and exposure, so keep experimenting with new phrases in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful English language tips.